We're doing it. We're doing it.
Be quick. Don't leave me out here. You go first.
You tell me where to go.
Oh no, you're good to go.
Go. What do you think they're gonna hold your hand?
I don't know. You don't shut the door?
It'll shut automatically.
Oh.
What are you scared of?
I'm kind of scared.
We can take these off now.
No, you have to have them on in it. It said it.
They said that?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Oh my gosh! Look how fast that one in front of us went.
We're gonna go same speed as soon as we catch the cable.
Oh my god!
Why? It's not a roller coaster.
It felt like it.
Just a ski lift.
Oh, it's really fast though. Oh! Like, it's really not stable.
What do you mean? Look for
Whoa!
animals.
Why is it doing that?
Hey, look for animals.
Okay, but no, sit! No. Sit down, you're rocking it.
Watch. Watch. You hold on to this bar. See, it's pretty cool.
But it's not stable.
We'd really hate the trail lift then.
It's leaning!
And we stopped.
Oh my gosh. Ah, why is it doing that?
It's the rollers you go over. What is wrong with you? Every time we go over one of those poles, there's rollers. You should be standing up here looking for animals.
I can see just fine. There's no animals yet. There's a person.
Where?
Right there on the trail, see? You're not seeing.
No, there is.
There's two people. Oh my.
Now you know when we go over these rollers is gonna make that bumpity bump again, okay?
Yeah, and I don't like it.
There's a lot of them here real quick.
Why? Well, I don't feel so
Old
bad
school.
like now that it's close to the bottom like ground.
Yeah, all we're doing is going to a base.
So when we get up here, we just jump out?
It's not really up here.
What do you mean up here?
Well, look, we're gonna go down. Oh, it looks like we're gonna go around the corner and go on up. So we are going up higher.
Oh, good. Ooh. Oh my god.
What?
That feels like we're hitting the ground. No mountain access. Oh shit. Will we just stay?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh, just kidding.
Yeah, you can actually see
Oh,
ski
you see
roads.
it? Yeah.
That what you were gonna say?
Yeah. It just like takes off.
Uh-huh.
Oh. So basically, you come out here with your skis and go right down the trail?
No, there's no trail there. This is going over water here. See the water down there?
No. Oh, yeah.
You can stand up, babe.
No, I don't want to. You're up, babe. Get away from the door.
Huh?
Get away from the door.
Away from the door.
Oh, that's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
There should be a moose down.
Should be animals, yeah. There's a beaver dam right there. Yeah.
Yeah. Two of them.
There's a walking trail down there. So there's some good old mosquitoes at night.
Mm-hmm. really peaceful.
Yeah, when you're not screaming.
Babe. You would think there's animals like all over right here, wouldn't you?
Yeah, they're probably laying up in the trees.
It says no standing on the door.
What? Where?
There, where it says the red circle and no.
Yeah. We're gonna have to get out because it looks like some pretty cool stuff where we're getting out. And it's not our lodge. Where's my pocket?
Between my feet.
That's the Grand Lodge. Just think of all the snow up here in the wintertime.
Look at the slide over there on the mountain.
That's that kid area, I think.
Oh.